Okay, so it's pickling time again, and I've just found this jar in the bottom of the cupboard. It's been about a year and a half. Put that in, and that is beautiful. And it's one made with, oh my god, it's 2 years made with honey. It is absolutely fantastic. So this came today. So I ordered this off eBay, came the next day with the spices and everything, pickling spice, malt vinegar, and 4 kilos of onions. Hardly get some more. I did 9 kilos. No, not last year, year before. So I'll be doing that again today. In this mix, I put the herbs that we got. I got all sorts, didn't I? Yeah, it was different to what they've sent. I made my own concoction with bay leaves, mixed. I think I don't know what they're called now. If I can figure them out, I'll put the camera on them. I think this allspice is allspice. I can't think. They're cardamoms, all sorts of stuff. Bay leaves a lot. If I find out, if I remember, I think we've got the recipe somewhere, I will let you know. Okay, find yourself a nice glass bowl or dish, whatever, perhaps, doesn't matter what it is, I put in 4 tablespoons, 5 teaspoons of salt. Doesn't really matter how much. And then you're going to drop these, I'm going to peel these, show this now. And then this will take some of the moisture out, it makes them really crisp. And they do work, it works beautifully, it's a good recipe. Take it a little off as possible, because I want more onions than I do waste, to be honest with you. That's it. Bit time consuming, but you'll benefit because these are really good onions. These are the best I've ever had. And the company, Paris, it's called Paris's. I know it takes some peeling, but there's minimum waste. Do one just to show you. Look at that. That's a beaut. I'll just pop him in. These are beautiful onions, but be prepared for watery eyes. Feels like you're crying. That's all I've done so far, and I'll tell you what, I've had to open the doors and the windows. These are so strong, but they're beautiful. So I am going to show you them. They are Parish Farms, the range. These are medium ones, and you get them. I think you can only get them from eBay. I did get them once from the shop, but they do it on eBay now. And there we go. Okay, Parish Farms. High in vitamin C and fibre. Anyway, there you go. Parish Farms, Lodge Farm, Stratford, and they're here next day actually from eBay. Delivered next day. Brilliant. Okay, I'll crack on and then I'll show you when I come to jar them up. Okay, so when you've done enough, what you need to do then is just pop them in a nice cool place. This is in the shower out the back. Put a plate on the top. No any dust or muck getting in them, and leave them 24 hours. And I'll bottle it tomorrow. And I'll show you that. So I put the rubber seal into a nice clean bowl, and this is the jar. And I'm going to sterilise it using the kettle. You can use whatever you want. Stilton, there's a sterilising Milton's. I don't know. But anyway, there we go. Give that a swill. Okay, just emptied that out. I'm now going to get that sterilised ring and place it actually on there. There we go. Ready for the pickled onions. Now I've got to go and fetch them, swill them, and then dry them. In 24 hours. I'll drain all that out. In a minute I'll show you that. I'll use my other hand, and then I will Put a flash on. There we go. And then I'll swill them. Okay, so 2 washes, 3 washes, clean them. Now take them out and put them on a cloth and dry them, pat them dry. I'm just getting the cloth gathering and just give them a good squidging. Get them dry, smell beautiful. Nice and dry. Okay, let's get them in the jar. I'm going to try and fill any of the gaps that you can. Oh, on the floor. Oh, 2 fell on the floor. That's one. No, only 1 fell on the floor. Okay, fill to the top. I did a couple of little half ones to make sure it was full. I know they weren't overnight, but it doesn't matter. So this is the spice we're using, if you can see that, if I zoom in. I'll put a link in the description down below anyway. You can see all that. Yellow mustard seeds, crushed coriander seeds, cloves, ginger root, black peppers, bay leaves, allspice berries, bird's eye chili, loads. Okay, so we're going to put a bit of this in. There we go, you can get that in there. Not too much glare. I'll top this up now with that. Alright. Finish topping up. Yeah. Oop. It will go down. There we go. You will fit. That's we're going to put a cloth on in case there is a bit of overflow, but it's fine. Focus. Oh, I'm giving the jar a shake. Make sure evenly spread all the herbs all around. And I'm going to categorically say that these pickled onions must be one of the best in the world because I think they've got virtually 0 waste. I've not come across a bad onion yet. Even on the last batch I did. Look at those. Beautiful. There we go. I'm going to put a bit more in because you can see that it's gone down a little bit. So I'm going to put more vinegar in. Beautiful. There we go. Those will settle. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be fantastic. And we will catch you in the next one. All the best. There we go. Parish's Farms Pickled Onions. Alright, take care.